Well, hi there, pluckers. Iversaw Fingers back with you again for hopefully another interesting lesson on a golden oldie. This is my lessons for part one of my lessons on Foot Tapper from the Shadows, one of their big hits. Hopefully you've seen my playthrough I did a couple of days ago, and I'm going to attempt to show you exactly what I played in that demo, both lead wise, and I shall also show you the chords underneath for the rhythm. So if you've got somebody with you, you can get two parts going. Okay, so standard tuning, no capos, doing it in this key of C, which is the original key of the original recordings from the Shadows. Okay, so so this is going to be broken down into quite a few small parts. Okay, this song, so we don't get overloaded. Okay, so starting off with the intro section. Okay, starting off with this bit. Okay, and we do that phrase twice for the intro. Okay, so what we're doing, so the whole thing starts off with a single hit on a snare drum by the drummer, and then they all come in together. Okay, and the first phrase then is, start with that, shall we? So I'm on the 5th fret of the 3rd string for 2 hits on that. You can either go up, down, or with 2 downs, whichever way you would want to do it. And then I'm doing 2 hits on the 5th fret of the 2nd string. So it's, then we're back to the 3rd string 5th fret for a single hit, and then down to the 4th fret on the 3rd string for a single hit. So you got, okay, then we go up to the 7th fret of the 4th string, the D string, for 2 hits. Okay, then we go back to the 3rd string 5th fret for 2 more hits on that one. So you got, okay, then we'll go to the back to the 7th fret of the 4th string for 1 hit, and then we go down to the 4th, on the 4th string to the 5th fret for 1 hit. So it's 7th fret 4th string, 5th fret 4th string. So it's, okay. Then we go to the 5th string, the A string, for 2 hits on the 8th fret. Okay, 8th fret, 5th string. So now we've got this. Very slowly so far. As far as we've got. Good. Now after the last one on the 8th fret of the 5th string, we go 2 hits on the 3rd string 5th fret. Okay, so now we've got, and the ending is a single hit on the 7th fret of the 4th string for 1 hit, and then 2 hits on the 5th fret of the 4th string. And that's the whole phrase. Okay, so slowly. Pause and then we repeat the whole thing, so he does it twice. Okay, so right from the beginning, a little bit quicker. Pause. And then we go into the verse. Okay, now the rhythm underneath the intro is relatively straightforward. It's a C, standard C chord, A minor, an F, and a G. Okay, now different ways. Obviously you could play standard C, you could play a C with G in the bass where this third finger goes up to the bottom E string 3rd fret and the pinky takes over on the 3rd fret on the 5th string. That enables you to play all 6 strings. Standard C normally is played 5 downwards. This gives you this 6th string as well. Then you go to the A minor, 5 downwards. Then we go to the F. Now you can play a simple F, 4 strings, 4 downwards. Or you could add C in the bass to it. This 3rd finger goes up from a standard F shape. 3rd finger goes up to the 5th string, 3rd fret, and the pinky takes over on the 3rd fret of the 4th string. Okay, 5 downwards. So you've got 4 downwards with a simple F, 5 downwards with this F with C in the bass, or you could use a full bar chord. F, if you like to use bar chords, fine. Okay, no problem at all. So far you've got C, A minor, whichever F you're more comfortable with. And then you can go to a G. Standard G is fine, open G chord. I tend to play it like that, but standard one's fine, okay. Or you could play a bar chord, G, if you want to play a G bar chord, fine, 3rd fret, major shape, okay. Or you could play it as an F shape, same as an F chord, but 2 frets up, 4 downwards, or with the extra finger, 5 downwards, okay, or the full bar chord. So there you have it. And the way it's played, it's very simple. It's da 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 into the verse. Okay, so at that point we'll leave part 1 and come back for verse 2, the verse section, sorry, verse 2, no, verse 1. Verse 1 and verse 2 are basically the same, okay, but we'll come to that in part 2. See you there.